everyone. Today I wanted to show you how to make sloppy joes. This is a classic comfort food that's a little bit messy, but oh so worth it. So anyway, we're gonna start out with 3 pounds of ground beef, and then we're going to add 1 chopped green bell pepper and 1 chopped onion. We're just gonna brown this beef with the onion and the bell pepper until the beef is cooked all the way through. Our beef is finally cooked through, and I'm going to now just add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna add to this beef mixture is 16 ounces of tomato sauce. I didn't have any tomato sauce on hand, and so I just substituted with 1 can of tomato paste and 10 ounces of water. So after that, we're gonna add 3/4 cup of ketchup. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic. Now I'm gonna take this spoon out of here, which, by the way, if you guys don't have one of these, you really should get one. It's perfect for cooking up any kind of ground meat. So I'm going to now stir this up, and all we have to do is simmer this just enough to get it heated all the way through. It's a great meal to feed a crowd of people. It's something you can make ahead of time, and if you happen to have leftovers, you can always freeze what's left for another day. All right, so we want these flavors to blend. And I'm just gonna put the lid on it for now and let it simmer for maybe 5 or 10 minutes just to get these flavors together. All right, so I'm just gonna serve this up. It's a perfect classic American food, loved by many people. And that's all there is to it. Have a great day.